My name is Nikita. If you didn't know, now you know. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Next to it, you will find that notification bell. Just go ahead and click on it so you can get notified whenever I drop the next video. And if you're not new to my channel, then welcome back to another lit video. So let's just get into this video. And I'm just be honest with you guys, I have no idea what I'm about to do. But as you see the title, this is going to be my first hair video on my channel. So I bought this wig. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. I currently have on something, but I'm about to take it off. As I was saying, I have no idea what I'm about to do, but I'm about to take this off. Let me show you what I got first. I got a cute little short bob. I'm gonna insert a photo. I know mine being all up like that, but yeah. And it's nice and short. Something different. It still has the lace hair, and let me tell y'all, never install. When I put it on, it's only for a couple of days because I suck at it, I guess. I don't know, but I'm gonna try and do it. And I will be using the Got To Be glue free spray. And the hair store was closed for me to get the gel version of this. So I'm gonna take this one off and then get back to you. So this basically comes with the adjustable scrub. So there's no rubber band in this like my other short one, which isn't this short, but I cut it right or I cut it wrong. I just don't know. So, ooh, I still have this in my hair. So I feel something in the back here needs to cut more. I'm trying to see if I need to put some makeup on the hair, on the wig. you to comment how it looks.